Okay, guys, listen up. Here's the drill. We're moving the astronauts over to the LEM. We got to get some oxygen up there.
All right.
Telmu Control, I want an emergency power procedure, the essential hardware only. GNC ECOM. We're going to be shutting down the command module at the same time. We'll have to transfer the guidance system from one computer to the other, so I want those numbers up and ready when our guys are in position. President?
Nixon, he wants ours.
We are not losing the crew.
Gene, I gotta give him odds. 5 to 1 against, 3 to 1.
I don't think they're that good.
We are not losing those men. You guys to find every engineer who designed every switch, every circuit, every transistor, and every light bulb that's up there. Then I want you to talk to the guy in the assembly line who actually built the thing. Find out how to squeeze every amp out of both of these goddamn machines. I want this mark all the way back to Earth with time to spare. We never lost an American in space. We're sure as hell not going to lose one on my watch. Failure is not an option.
Contingency we've remotely looked at.
Those CO2 levels are going to be getting toxic.
Well, I suggest you gentlemen invent a way to put a square peg in a round hole. Rapidly. What have we got on the spacecraft that's good?
I'll get back to you, Gene.
Flight plan. From this moment on, we are improvising a new mission.
The heat shield, the angular trajectory, and the typhoon. There's just so many variables. I'm a little
I know what the
lost.
problems are, Henry. This could be the worst disaster NASA's ever experienced.
With all due respect, sir, I believe this is going to be our finest hour.
The Odyssey is dying. From my chair here, this is the last option.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Capcom, let's have them close the reactant valves.
13. Right now, we got a wicked shimmy up here.
Ecom, GNC, these guys are talking about bangs and shimmies up there. Doesn't sound like instrumentation to me.
We have to turn off the radars, cabin heater, instrument displays, the guidance computer, the whole smack.
Whoa, guidance computer. What if they need to do another burn? Gene, they won't even know which way they're pointed.
The more time we talk down here, the more juice they waste up there. I've been looking at the data for the past hour.
That's the deal?
That's the deal.
Okay, John. The minute we finish the burn, we'll power down the LEM.
All right.
Now, in the meantime...
Oh boy, what's going on here? Flight, let me get back to you. Flight GNC?
GNC.
Flight, they're all over the place. They keep yawing close to gimbal lock.
I keep losing radio signal. Flight, their antenna must be flat.
22, they're gonna have to do it manually if they do
One at
it
a
all.
time, people. One at a time. One at a time. Ecom, is this an instrumentation problem, or are we looking at real power loss here? Listen up. Quiet down, people. Quiet down. Quiet down. Let's stay cool, people. They are here. We turn them around, straight back, direct abort.
No, sir. We get them on a free return trajectory. It's the option with the fewest question marks for safety.
I agree with Jerry. Use the moon's gravity, slingshot them around.
No, the LEM will not support 3 guys for that amount of time.
It barely holds 2.
I mean, we've got to do a direct abort. We do an about face, we bring the guys right home right now.
Get them back soon, absolutely.
We don't even know if the Odyssey's engine's even working, and if there's been serious damage to this spacecraft...
They blow up and they die.
That is not the argument. We're talking about time, not whether or not these guys...
Come on, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this for you.
Okay, hold it. Let's hold it down. Let's hold it down, people. The only engine we've got with enough power for a direct abort is the SPS on the service module. What Lovell has told us, it could have been damaged in an explosion, so let's consider that engine dead. We light that thing up, could blow the whole works. Just too risky. We're not going to take that chance. In fact, the only thing the command module is good for is re-entry, so that leaves us with the LEM, which means free return trajectory. Once we get the guys around the moon, we'll fire up the LEM engine, make a long burn, pick up some speed, and get them home as quick as we can.
Gene, I'm wondering what the...
I need another computer up in the RTCC. I want everybody to alert your support teams. Wake up anybody you need, get them in here. Let's work the problem, people. Let's not make things worse by guessing.
13.